Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Paper Sweets. It's Sophia. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're having a great day. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing the new stamps and dies that I received from Coco Reno for the month of November. And again, super cute set. So these are the dies, the foliage cutting dies, and they come with some leaf shapes. This one and this one here, super cute. I love that one. And this one, and this leaf here, and then they come with a couple of rosette dies. So there's this one here and this one here, and once you put them all together they look like leaves. So I have a real quick little tutorial towards the end, just showing how I put mine together. And then these are the stamps, the woodland forest stamps, and there's two different sets. Super cute with the little woodland animals and trees, and it's got some fun sentiments. Be brave, enjoy every moment. Cute little fox. And then this one here. And I actually did use the stamps on a couple of my projects this time around. I love this little guy, so I used him, and then you get these other little images here. So fun set there. And I'll go ahead and share my projects first, and then towards the end I'll do a quick little tutorial on the rosettes. So I made the rosette shape here with the leaf, and then I added the other leaf here in gold that has the cutouts, and some ephemera from the paper collection. And the paper collection I'm using here is Fancy Pants Designs, and it is the Memory Lane paper collection, and I am on their design team too, which I love being a part of their design team. And it's always fun to use their papers. I thought it went really well, this Memory Lane, with this month's die set. And so I just added some ephemera here, and a little sentiment that says together. This little butterfly here, or moth, is from the puffy stickers. So there's that one, like a little embellishment ready to go. And then here's the other leaf. And again, I added this more intricate cutout leaf on top of the rosette leaf in gold glitter. And this time I kind of offset it because I figured like the leaf would be going off to the side. And I added some more ephemera, this cute little bunny camera, and a puffy sticker that says yesterday, and then a little mushroom peeking out there. So I thought those would be fun and just ready to go on. I made them actually to go on a mini album that I still have to finish using the Memory Lane paper collection. So I can't wait to play and finish that mini album up. And then here is where I used one of the stamps. It says enjoy every moment. I just stamped it out in black ink. And the ephemera pack with the Memory Lane, it comes with a few like blank ephemera pieces, so they're perfect to stamp on. So I just did the stamping, added some enamel dots, a little puffy sticker there, some trim, and another one of these beautiful leaves. And for this one, I went ahead and added some of the splatter tool that I love from the dollar store, from Dollar Tree, I think. Added it behind the leaf, so it wouldn't be so plain. So I love how that looks. And again, that would be really cute on a scrapbook layout, I think. And then here's another one of the blank ephemera pieces, and this time I stamped the cute little owl with the scarf, super cute. And then I just colored him in and added some of the leaves from the dice set, a little puffy sticker that says together, and more enamel dots and trim. So those are my projects and little samples. And if you it did take me a little while to play around with the dies, so that's why I thought I would do a quick tutorial. So I did cut out the dies twice, and I basically cut them out. You have to cut it out twice, and you have to cut it out like on the right side of the paper like this, and then you flip your paper to the wrong side and cut it out again. So you have kind of like a mirror image like that. So this one I've already kind of cut out. So I cut it out like this. It's hard because this one looks the same on both sides, but you basically cut it out on the right side of the paper, and then you flip your paper around and cut it out again. So that's what I did here for both of these. So I've already accordion folded this one here, and then what I like to do is, well, if you accordion fold this one down, on the next one you start accordion folding it up like this, and then just do your folds along the rosette here pretty quick, and it punches, it cuts it out really nice, the lines, so really easy to fold. And then I put it together just like this. So I'm going to use hot glue for my video, so it's pretty quick drying. So I just added it like that, line it up. And at the top, you are going to have these little points that don't quite line up. So I just turned it around and snipped off the excess where it doesn't line up. And then you have a little point there. And then you've got your accordion or your rosette piece that looks like this, all folded. And then I did cut out some, circles. So just a circle like you would on a rosette, but it was a little, I mean, it is a little trickier. It's not like a normal rosette. So anyway, so this is how I did it. So then I just, try to, hold it together like this. So you hold it together like this for the leaf shape, right? And then I basically, you can add a little glue if you want to make it easier on the edges to hold them in. Just a little glue. My glue gun leaks quite a bit, so that's what I mean. It's kind of not super easy to hold it together, but it's not that hard. So then I turned it back around the back, and I added some hot glue here, lots of hot glue, and then just put your circle down right here and hold it together as best you can, like that, to allow the shape to form like a leaf. And normally, like with a regular rosette, you would have, the whole circle covered up. But with these ones here, you just have to really glue the bottom area here. And if you want to, you can trim the excess off, depending, how you're going to use it, like so. And then you've got your rosette leaf there. And then the other one was pretty much the same, so maybe this one will be a little easier to see how I cut it out. So I cut it out like this on this piece of paper, and then I did have to flip the paper around to the back side and then cut it again. So on this one, the score lines were right side up, and on this one, the score lines are going to be like the bottom. So there's that. And then again, same thing. I started accordion folding it with the side down here. And for the next piece, I'm going to start folding it up, just to glue those together easier. So you just complete your folds all the way down, really easy. And then we're going to glue. Add some hot glue here. And put these together like that. And that's it. So same thing with this one. You're going to just kind of put it together and then fold it out to form your leaf. And I just kind of, bunch it together, hold it down at the base here. And we have the other circle that I punched. And I find it easier to do it on the back side. And, when I'm adding my glue. So I add just, a good amount of glue. And then my base. And then I just allow it